Welcome to NDVTechsys Solutions Data Science Program. Today, we are going to be discussing about data science related topics and how the job market will be available for the data science. And each and every concept we are trying to understand what are the different kind of tools which are going to be using for data science. Data science is a trending technology nowadays in 2025. Even in colleges, there's a master program and BTech program also available for the data science. More number of people are actually looking for the data science. Scientific approach on data is very huge. Every application is going to be connecting with the internet. From the internet, a lot of data is going to be generating. Even from the smartphones, web applications, smart devices, smart gadgets, whatever it may be. From social media also, we will be getting a lot of data. And from the devices, from the applications, kind of WhatsApp, Twitter, Instagram, a lot of data is going to be generating every second. Even by the transactions also, a lot of data is going to be generating. Bank transactions, payments, purchases, whatever it may be. So whenever the data is going to be getting very, very huge in demand and very huge in the bigger in the size, from that particular bigger data, taking decisions is going to be getting complex. And there are multiple kind of scientific approaches kind of algorithms which are going to be available. So we try to understand multiple tasks which are going to be involving by the data science. Okay. So let me tell you, so myself, Srinivas Gorantla, and I've been working from last 15 plus years. And I was a web and mobile apps expert. At the same time, data scientist, AI certified person. And here, why I need to learn data science? Data science, first of all, we need to understand the definition. Data science is a multidisciplinary field that combines mathematics, statistics, computer science. Coming to the part of the computer science, we need to understand some programming skills. There are multiple programming languages which are going to be involved for the data science. In the olden days, people are using R programming, SAS programming, MATLAB. Nowadays, Python is very, very popular to work on data science. Very easily, you can able to write algorithm using by the Python programming language. It is very easy and comfortable programming. Everybody can able to understand Python. And domain expertise to extract meaningful insights from the data. Data science is nothing but collecting meaningful data, extracting meaningful data or meaningful insights from the bigger data. One simple definition I want to tell you about the data science: finding gold in sand. Finding gold in sand. So you have the sand, you have the big data. From that data, we want to take only required data, only meaningful data in the proper structured manner using by different kind of models. It's enabling formed decision making, problem solving across various industries. Data science is going to be available in the multiple industries: banking sector, real estate, social media, whatnot. Every industry is going to be depending on data science nowadays. And coming to the one more point, what are the topics we are going to be discussing with the data science? But I am just dividing into the modules. The module 1, we are trying to understanding about the data science foundations. And the second module, programming in data science. This is a very important module. Without having the computer programming skills, you cannot able to implement any algorithm. For that, we are going to be learning Python programming end-to-end. End-to-end Python programming, what are the different kind of libraries required, what are the topics required, and we are going to be learning end-to-end Python programming for data science. Okay, so fundamentals of Python programming from scratch, from beginner level. The person who don't know any programming skill before coming to this course, no issues about it. We are starting from beginning. We are starting from 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. From that, we are going to be starting. So what is meaning of 2 plus 3 is equal to 5? Everybody know 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. That is a simple statement. We can write in Python 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. When we give to the computer 2 plus 3, computer Python is giving us output 5. From that standards, we are going to be learning programming. So that is a very essential. Module 2 is the very essential module. And third module, data collection and storage. How to collect the data from the multiple sources, how to store the data in the big data environment, in the cloud also. And fourth module, important module, data cleaning process. Data cleaning. So data is going to be available unstructured format. Multiple applications are generating the data. Social media, real estate, shopping cart applications, all these applications are generating the data in the unstructured format. So data cleaning and pre-processing is very, very important before coming to the model, before coming to the data science, before coming to the machine learning part. Okay. Data cleaning, pre-processing is the one more technique we have to apply. After that, one more module we will discuss, that is something like EDA, exploratory data analysis. Exploratory data analysis. Multiple concepts which are going to be involved in the part of EDA. And come to the next module, statistics for data science. Some mathematics, basic mathematics, mean, median, mode kind of thing. Okay, so we try to understand whatever the requirements from the mathematics, kind of statistics or probability, we are trying to understand in the part of the module 6. And module 7, machine learning basics. We try to understand what is machine learning, what are the different kind of algorithms which are going to be available in the machine learning, the kind of supervised learning, unsupervised learning, reinforcement learning, different kind of techniques we try to understand with the different kind of data sets, sample data sets, business data sets we try to take over there. And module 8, we come to the module 8, the model evaluation and optimization. How to evaluate the model, how to prepare the model to understand the business requirement. And module 9, advanced machine learning techniques we will learn. Module 10, time series analysis we will learn. Module 11, natural language processing, NLP. NLP is the most important topic in the part of the deep learning procedures. So deep learning is a subtopic of the machine learning, and deep learning is going to be a very, very important technique we have to understand. Even here, Python is the most important programming for deep learning fundamentals, advanced deep learning, model deployment, MLOps. Deployment of the model is very, very important. Every application, you take a YouTube, you take a Gmail, you take a Facebook, you take Instagram, you take a WhatsApp, you take any application in the real world nowadays, all applications in behind data is going to be working with data science in the background part. Background of the data, always working with the data science, always working with the machine learning. Okay. So in the last module, we try to understand multiple area projects, multiple domain related projects, and how to build the portfolio to get a good job on data science. Let's come to the one more important point. What are the different kind of use cases which are going to be involved by the data science? The one use case is the most important one, business and marketing procedures. In business, the first thing is the price optimization. How you can able to work on the prices, how to change prices based on the trend, based on the market, how to change the price. For example, you take a DMart, you take a different kind of shopping carts, you take Amazon, you take Flipkart, how these prices can be varied, how these prices can be maintained by the data. Price optimization data science helps determine optimal pricing strategies by analyzing customer behavior, market trends, and competitor pricing. And one more thing is customer segmentation. We have to understand how the customers are going to be coming to our website. Okay, so who are the real customers? Who are the fake customers? For the real customers, how to push the advertisements, all these things, customer segmentation we can able to work on. Grouping customers based on the demographics, purchasing behavior, and other factors allows for targeting, marketing, and personalized experiences. Personalized marketing, leveraging customer data to create tailoring marketing campaigns and recommendations, such as product recommendations or targeted advertising. And one more important topic in business marketing, customer lifetime value prediction. So predicting the total revenue a customer will generate over their relationship with the business. So this customer is going to be available from the past few years. So how to maintain that particular customer end of the day. Business to prioritize high value customers. So who are the customers, high value customers for us? Who are the customers, fake customers? We can able to easily understand. And one more important thing, intelligent cross-selling and upselling, recommending relevant products and services to customers based on their purchases history and preferences. Market basket analysis, identifying products that are frequently purchased together to optimize the product placement and promotions. These are the different use cases in the part of the business marketing. And come to the one more area, finance and banking. Finance and banking is the most important area where data science can be involved. Fraud detection, risk assessment, churn prevention. Fraud detection, using data science techniques to identify, preventing fraudulent activities in financial transactions. Who is the fraud customer? Who is the credit card users? You take a credit card users. Who is the reliable customer for the bank? Who is the fraud customer for the bank? Who is paying these credit bills in time? Who is not paying credit bills in time? We can able to easily understand by applying the data science algorithms on the data, banking data. And one more thing is risk assessment. Evaluating and managing financial risks by analyzing data on market trends, economic indicators, and customer behaviors. Churn prevention, identifying customers at risk of leaving a business and implementing strategies to retain them. And one more thing, in business marketing, customer lifetime value, CLV prediction, intelligent cross-selling and upselling, market basket analysis. So all these things we can able to work on with the business and marketing use case. And one more important use case is technology and e-commerce. Yeah, very important use case. Technology and e-commerce. E-commerce websites are very, very important nowadays. Every business building their own website, every business building their own mobile app to selling the products, even food also in online nowadays. Whatever it may be. So any product which is going to be in online. All purchases are going in online. Websites or mobile apps, whatever it may be. Okay, so how you can able to go e-commerce website or build a e-commerce website using by the data science. How data science is going to be involved in the part of the e-commerce. So we can work on real-time analytics. We can work on social media analytics. We can work on e-commerce data analytics. Analyzing data in real time to make a quick decision and respond changing conditions. Analyzing social media data to understand customer sentiment, track brand reputation, and identify emerging trends. Okay. So analyzing customer behavior, purchase patterns, and website traffic to optimize the e-commerce experiences. Okay. And one more thing, supply chain management, predictive analysis also we can able to work on technology and e-commerce use case. And one more important use case, one more important thing we try to understand where data science is going to be involved in the part of the data. So this architecture is giving you very clear understand the total artificial intelligence, where is artificial intelligence is available. Inside the artificial intelligence, where machine learning can be involved, where deep learning can be involved. You know that inside the artificial intelligence, we know machine learning, deep learning is the major topics. Nowadays, the trending word is artificial intelligence, AI. In the part of the AI, MLDL is the more important subtopics. Machine learning is the subset of AI. Deep learning is the subset of ML. Okay. Machine learning is subset of AI. Deep learning is subset of ML. Okay. Come to the data science part. Data science, some set of ML algorithms, some set of DL algorithms which are going to be involved by the data science. See, can you see that? Inside the data science, one more pattern, one more technology got enabled. That technology called big data. In the data science, the recommendation technical skill you have to understand is SQL, structured query language. SQL, NoSQL technologies we need to understand coming to the data scientist. Data scientist need to know MLDL, AI parts. At the same time, they need to understand the big data techniques, data related techniques. Okay, so how this Spark is working, how this data bricks are working, how SQL functions are working, queries are working, we try to understand coming to the data science part. This is the architecture for the data science, where data science is going to be sitting in the part of the AI. And one more important thing, the life cycle of the data science. If you want to become a data scientist, how I need to go? What is the first step I need to go for? Understanding the business problem is the first point. The second point is preparing the data is the second point. Third point is exploratory data analysis. EDA is the important thing. Then modeling the data is the fourth important technique. Here in the fourth point, what is the fourth point is just model build. How to prepare the algorithm based on the requirement. Preparing the algorithm is a very, very important. And evaluating the model, evaluation of the model is the fifth point. And finally, sixth point is deploying the model to the particular website, deploying the model to that particular mobile app in the part of the backend. Okay, this is the life cycle. This is the life cycle as a data scientist you need to know. Okay, so just try to observe every point, each and everything we will do in the part of the course. And come to the, so I already told, collection of the data, cleaning of the data, EDA part, model building, model deployment. One more simple architecture I'm giving one more time here. And come to the, this picture is very, very clearly telling that. So everybody having some big question. Sir, there are number of technologies which are going to be very, very trending in the social media or whatever it may be nowadays, in colleges also. Data science, data analytics. What is the major difference between the data science and data analytics? What are the different kind of technical skills which are going to be involved in the data science? What are the technical skills which are going to be involved in the part of data analytics? What are the common topics? What are the overlapping skills for the data scientist or data analyst? The overlapping skills for the data scientist or data analyst, statistical analysis, mathematics. I already told you, statistics and probability. Statistics and probability required for both data scientist and data analyst. And one more thing, programming languages like Java, Python, or SQL. Yeah, we will go with Python and we will learn SQL also. And data mining techniques, problem solving techniques, data storytelling, often to a non-technical audience. How to promote the particular data for the non-technical audience also we have to learn. This is the overlapping technique. Then what is the INIQ technique for data science? INIQ technique is ML, you need to understand machine learning, software development, and big data software tools including Hadoop and Spark, and algorithm development. These kind of technical skills you need to learn in the part of the data science. What are the technical skills you need to understand in the data analysis or data analytics? Some kind of DBMS part, some kind of Power BI, Tableau, or ClickView, whatever it may be. There are multiple kind of data visualization tools we need to learn. ClickView, D3JS, Tableau, Power BI, whatever it may be. So to provide the graphical representation, if you want to provide the graphical representation using by the dashboards and all, data analytics are important for that. So some topics are combined for the data science and data analytics. One more time, what are the topics merged, or what are the topics, common topics for the data scientist and the data analyst? statistical analysis, something like maths, programming language like Python, data mining, problem solving, storytelling techniques. Let's go. What are the different kind of tools? I already told you. Excel, Tableau, BigML, TensorFlow, Hadoop, Scikit-learn, Matplotlib, Spark, Power BI, Google Analytics, all these tools which are going to be involved by the data science. And what are the editors? So I taken this picture from different source. And what are the different tools we have to use for data science? The tools are Jupyter Notebook. Jupyter Notebook is the editor we are going to be using, or Google Colab we are going to be using to write the Python programming. So TensorFlow is the one library we are going to be learning in the deep learning part. Okay. Later we will see all these things. Now we try to understand one more important part, salaries. So tell me, what is the current average salary for the data scientist in India? The average salary for data scientist in India is 14.5 lakhs. Average annual salary 14.5 lakhs in India. That is trending in the market. Comparing to other technologies, data science and AI, which is going to be having high packages in the market. As a fresher, average salary I'm telling you about here. And one more thing, salary growth. Average salary growth in India, how the salary growth is going to be available in 2024, 12 lakh package per annum is going to be there. But 2030, it will go like 22 lakh per annum. Fresher package, 22 lakh per annum in 2030. So the salary is going to be getting like increasing like anything. The packages which are going to be increasing like anything for data scientist. So this technology, which is not going to be a dead technology, which is always alive technology. Some people are telling like software is gone, software is gone, software is gone. Software is not going anywhere, sir. Software is not going anywhere. Data is always increasing. So the internet, what is this called? Internet era is going to be increasing. So generations of the internet is also increasing. Now 5G, 6G is coming next. 10G also comes. In 2030, maybe it is the 30G also comes. 30, the generation internet will come. Okay. So when we have that much internet communication, that much internet connection, everybody using smartphones, everybody using websites, and every transaction is going to be online. That way, data is going to be generating very huge in amount. Their data scientist definitely required, data analyst definitely required, AI scientist or AI developer definitely require in the future also. So this is what actually I want to tell you guys. So from our NDVTechsys solutions, we are going to be starting data science master's program very soon. So join with us to become master in data science, master in data analytics, master in AI also. We will be having multiple master programs which are going to be very soon launching. Please contact with us for the latest updates. Okay. So I just want to tell you one simple picture, a diagram. Just give me 1 second. I just want to tell you guys. I just want to tell you one thing. If you want to become a data scientist, what is the steps I need to follow in package module 1? In module 1, what we need to learn? When we want to become a data scientist, how my career will start and how my learning will start. If you want to become a data scientist, how you need to start? Sorry. Give me 1 second. Data science learning path. I just want to draw a simple picture for the data science learning path. If you want to become a data scientist, first of all, you need to learn Python programming. Without having Python programming, you cannot able to jump to the data science directly. First, we need to understand Python programming. This is what actually computer skills. This is what actually computer science. Computer science and skills we need to understand. Skills we need to learn here. After learning Python programming, immediately what you need to learn is, after learning Python programming, you need to understand SQL fundamentals. SQL. And after that, you need to understand maths, simple maths. In part of the maths, you will be having different things like statistics, probability, whatever it may be. Okay. Maths, stats and probability. Stats and probability. Okay. This is the next step you have to go. After that, you try to understand data collection techniques. You need to understand data collection techniques. After that, you try to understand data cleaning techniques. After that, you need to understand data cleaning techniques. EDA. Data cleaning, nothing but EDA, exploratory data analysis. Exploratory data analysis. You need to understand EDA techniques. After that, you need to understand MLDL, model building. This is the important factor. Here, we have to understand multiple kind of algorithms. MLDL, model building. Model building is very, very important. After building the model, end of the day, you need to deploy the model. End of the day, you need to deploy the model. This is kind of project. Model deployment is also very important. Okay, so this is the learning curve. This is the learning curve. First, you need to understand Python programming. Then you can come to the SQL knowledge. Then you need to understand maths, statistics, and probability. Then you need to understand data collection. Then you need to go with the data cleaning process. Then you need to go with the MLDL. Then you need to go for the model deployment. So here in the Python programming, we need to understand different kind of things. We need to understand basic programming fundamentals. Basic programming fundamentals. Okay, let me do a small. Basic programming fundamentals. After that, we need to understand something like NumPy. We need to understand pandas. We need to understand matplotlib. Some kind of libraries you need to learn. Matplotlib and Seaborn, SciPy. Different Python libraries we need to understand here in the part of the Python. And SQL and NoSQL. We need to understand RDBMS, Relational Database Management System, and you need to understand NoSQL also in the part of the SQL. And here in the maths, statistics and probability you need to understand. And coming to the MLDL, model building part, you need to understand different kind of Python related libraries. Something like scikit-learn, something like Seaborn, something like, Seaborn, TensorFlow, NLP, natural language processing. All these things you need to understand in the part of the MLDL. Okay, so try to understand if you want to become a data scientist, this is the learning path. This is the learning path. Step by step you need to go for. This is the first, and this is the second, and this is the third, and this is the fourth, and this is the fifth, and this is the sixth, and this is the seventh module, the last module. This is the way you want to become a data scientist. This is the way you have to go for. Okay, I want to tell you what are the different kind of algorithms. Data science libraries 2025 for Python. What are the different kind of libraries for Python? Okay, I want to tell you multiple libraries here. So just explore it. The top demanding libraries for data science. What are the different libraries? I already told you. When you are learning Python, you need to understand NumPy, you need to understand Seaborn, Matplotlib, Pandas, TensorFlow, Keras, Scikit-learn. These are the different kind of libraries you need to understand to become a data scientist. Okay, so come to the point. Python libraries for data analysis to go with the data science. The first one, data preprocessing. Data preprocessing, NumPy, SciPy is using. Data manipulation and analysis, Pandas is using. Data visualization, Matplotlib, Seaborn is using. Data mining, Scikit-learn is using. Statistical modeling testing, Stats model is using. So different libraries which are going to be involved part of the data science. Okay. So later we will discuss all this part. Pandas, NumPy, SciPy, ScarPy, Matplotlib, Seaborn, Scikit-learn, TensorFlow, Scikit-image, so Librosa. These are the different top demanding Python libraries for data scientists. Okay, you can see any image, you can see any image. These libraries only they are going to be telling. And you see this Keras, TensorFlow, Pandas, NumPy, Matplotlib, Scikit-learn. Yeah. So just check it out. So do some R&D, do some research. What are the different kind of libraries if you want to use to become a data scientist? This diagram is very clearly telling that you can able to work with the Python first, then you can go for the SQL, then you can go for the mass, then you can go for data collection, data cleaning process, MLDL part, model deployment, all these things. Okay, so directly I will use one collaboratory. I go directly cloud related Jupyter Notebook collaboratory. So can you see here Google Colab? Google Colab I will use. Google Colab. From Google Colab, I write the program for Python. Google Collaboratory is the cloud related Jupyter Notebook. So I try to open my Jupyter Notebook with the Google Drive. Okay. So inside the Google Drive, I'm trying to creating the new notebook from where you can write your Python code. Python is very simple and comfortable. If you want to become a data scientist, what is the prerequisite? Everybody is asking like, sir, what is the prerequisite? No prerequisite. If you have passion, you come and learn data science. You have some passion, sir, I want to work on data. So I have some time, I need to put my time, I need to keep my time to learn the data, about the data. I want to become a data scientist, sir. Yes, definitely you can come to the data science part and you can understand the different kind of data. Okay, let me tell you one more thing. Data science job roles. What are the different kind of job roles which are going to be available for the data science? Okay, can you please see this picture? Can you please see this picture? What are the different kind of roles which are going to become after learning the data science? After learning the data science, what are the job roles are there? You can become a business analyst. You can become big data analyst. You can become decision scientist. You can become data journalist. You can become machine learning engineer. You can become financial analyst. You can become database admin. You can become data engineer, and you can become data scientist also. There are multiple job roles you can able to find for the data science. After learning the data science, there are multiple roles which are going to be available. Search in Naukri. Search in Naukri. Okay. For example, if I open Naukri or if I open Glassdoor, if I open Glassdoor, there are multiple websites which are going to be available for the job requirement related things. Let me open Glassdoor also. Glassdoor.com. Glassdoor.com. And here, this is the Naukri. In Naukri, you can search for data science, Python, machine learning. I'm trying to giving different keywords here. Okay, select some experience. I'm just giving 0 to 1 year of experience and searching the jobs here. You search for jobs. How many jobs which are going to be available for freshers and 1 year experience? Okay, for data science, if you are keeping 2 years of experience, huge number of jobs, huge number of openings are there. And expected salaries is also very good actually. When you go for salaries, minimum 7 lakhs to 10 lakhs package which is going to be giving for filter jobs by the salary. By the salary also you can able to filter the jobs. And you can go for the Glassdoor. You can go for the Indeed. There are multiple job search websites are there. Multiple job search websites are there. This is going for something. Okay. Later we will discuss all these things. Come to the Google Drive. Come to the notebook. Okay, I want to write some Python codes. I want to give some 2+5. What is 2+5? This is Python, sir. This is Python. I'm trying to writing some Python code using by the Jupyter Notebook in cloud. If I give 2+5 here, click on the play button. What is happening here? This is happening something. It is connecting to the cloud. It is connecting to the cloud and assigning me some system, assigning me some RAM, assigning me some disk also. We are working with internet. I am not installed any software in my system. I am not installed any software in my system. I am working with the cloud. Okay, so I got output 2+5, 7. Okay, let me go with the code again. Okay, name is equal to Python. Name is equal to Python. If I give name here, click on this. The name got executed. Code. What is the name now? I can able to see the name. Name already stored with Python. Writing Python code is very simple. If you want to give some input to the Python, enter your name. Whatever the name you entered, that will store by the variable. So whatever the value you entered, that will store by the variable called name. Enter your name. So myself, I am Srinivas. I am giving my name and click on enter button. And after this, search about the name. Name already I entered as Srinivas. Okay, one more time I am entering a different name. I am entering something like Ramya. If I enter Ramya, finally name is Ramya. Whatever the input you are giving to the system, that is actually storing into the name. That is giving the output in the next cell. Writing Python code is very simple, sir. Later we will discuss about Python programming fundamentals. We will discuss all the topics one by one. So when the classes are going to be starting, you please enroll for that. And we will be having each and every topic step by step. Each and every learning path, step by step. First step, second step, third step, fourth step, fifth step, sixth step, seventh step. End of the day, you become a data scientist and you will be having different kind of job roles in the market. And easily you can able to get the job with the good packages. Okay, so this is what actually I want to deliver to you guys. Okay, fine. Thank you for attending the thing. And we'll meet in the session. When we start the session, we will meet in the session. Thank you for listening. Signing off. See you. Bye-bye.